Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to turn on the pause music while recording feature on Telegram. This simple setting can make your experience smoother, especially if you love recording voice messages or videos while listening to music. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. It doesn't matter whether you're using Android or iPhone. Both have this feature available in the latest version. Once you're on Telegram's home screen, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar three-line icon. That's the menu button. Tap it to open up Telegram's main options. Next, find and tap Settings. This section is where you can customize everything about your Telegram experience, from privacy to notifications to how your chats look and behave. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you see an option called Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the Chat Settings page, you'll see a list of different visual and behavioral preferences related to how chats work. Now, scroll down until you reach a setting called Pause Music while recording. This option does exactly what it sounds like. It automatically pauses any music playing on your device when you start recording a voice message or video. It's incredibly helpful if you don't want your favorite song overlapping your message or interfering with the recording sound. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Pause Music while recording. When the switch is on, it should light up or shift to the right, depending on your phone's theme. That's it, you've activated the feature. Now, whenever you record audio or video through Telegram, your background music will automatically pause and then resume right after you're done. It's an easy tweak that keeps your conversations cleaner and your recordings crisp and clear. So there you go, just 5 quick steps to make Telegram even more convenient for you. Take a moment to try it out, and you'll instantly notice the difference.